Backpack unlimited money from Bangladesh. Hi, I am Abul Bashar Khondokar from Bangladesh. Today I am going to show you how I earn money from Backpack. Please using my referral link to create your account. Now go to my referral link and create your account. If you using my referral link, you get 500 taka free. Basically, it is online shopping website. Please buy something more than 500 taka, 500 taka from Backpack. You can pay money using other payment method. So now create an account and start shopping and earn money by invite people. You are showing my referral link. Go to this link and create an account now. You are showing my referral link. The link is backpackbank /r /10000300757. Thanks for watching. Bye.